The wilderness, it calls to us. There's something primal, something deeply rooted in our souls that yearns for the untouched beauty of nature. It's a call that many of us feel but few dare to answer. Solo camping is one of the most profound ways to respond to this call. A chance to be alone, to be challenged, to be free. When you venture into the wild alone, you strip away the distractions of modern life. It's just you, your thoughts, and the natural world around you. This solitude can be both daunting and exhilarating. Solo camping is the ultimate test. It demands self-reliance, resourcefulness, and a deep respect for nature. Every decision you make, every step you take, is a testament to your ability to survive and thrive in the wild. It's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It's just you against nature. Are you ready? The challenges are real, from unpredictable weather to navigating unfamiliar terrain. But with each obstacle you overcome, you build confidence and resilience. You learn to trust yourself and your instincts. Solo camping is not for the faint of heart. It takes guts, determination. There will be moments of doubt, times when you question your decision to venture out alone, but it's in these moments that you find your true strength. You learn to push through the fear and uncertainty. But the rewards are immense. Imagine standing on a mountaintop, the world spread out below you, knowing you reached this point on your own. Or sitting by a tranquil lakeside, the only sounds being the gentle lapping of water and the calls of distant birds. These moments of pure, unfiltered beauty are the essence of solo camping. Imagine this: you, a crackling fire, and the stars above. The night sky, free from the pollution of city lights, reveals a tapestry of stars that seem close enough to touch. The warmth of the fire, the cool night air, and the sense of peace that comes from being truly alone in nature. This is what it's all about. It's about finding a sense of peace and clarity that is often elusive in our busy lives. It's about reconnecting with the natural world, and with yourself. In the stillness of the forest, you can hear your own thoughts more clearly, and you can find a deeper understanding of who you are. It's about pushing your limits, facing your fears, and coming out stronger on the other side. Each challenge you face and overcome adds to your sense of accomplishment. You learn to appreciate the small victories, like successfully starting a fire or navigating a difficult trail. It's about connecting with nature on a deeper level, feeling truly alive. When you camp alone, you become more attuned to the rhythms of the natural world. You notice the subtle changes in the weather, the patterns of wildlife, and the beauty in the details of your surroundings. So, are you ready to answer the call of the wild? Let's get started. Prepare yourself for an adventure that will challenge you, inspire you, and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Embrace the solitude, embrace the challenge, and embrace the wild. Preparation is key. When you're heading out into the great outdoors, the right preparation can make all the difference. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip or a multi-day hiking adventure, having the right gear is essential for both safety and enjoyment. The right gear can make or break your trip. Imagine being miles away from civilization and realizing you forgot a crucial piece of equipment. It's not just inconvenient, it can be dangerous. That's why it's important to double-check your gear before you head out. What do you need? Let's break it down. First, a good backpack. This is the cornerstone of your gear. It needs to be comfortable, durable, and spacious enough to carry all your essentials. Look for one with adjustable straps and multiple compartments to keep your items organized. Choose one that fits well and can carry all your essentials. A poorly fitting backpack can lead to back pain and fatigue, which can ruin your trip. Make sure to try it on and adjust the straps to fit your body perfectly. Next, a tent. Your home away from home. A good tent provides shelter from the elements and a place to rest after a long day of hiking. Look for one that's easy to set up and take down, especially if you plan on moving campsites frequently. Make sure it's waterproof and sturdy. The last thing you want is to wake up in the middle of the night in a puddle of water. Check the tent's material and seams to ensure it can withstand rain and wind. Don't forget a sleeping bag and sleeping mat. These will keep you warm and comfortable at night. A good sleeping bag is essential for a good night's sleep, especially in colder temperatures. Pair it with a sleeping mat to provide insulation from the cold ground and extra comfort. A headlamp is crucial for navigating in the dark. Whether you're setting up camp after sunset or making a midnight trip to the bathroom, a headlamp frees up your hands and provides essential light. Make sure to pack extra batteries. And of course, a first aid kit. Safety first. Accidents can happen, and being prepared with a well-stocked first aid kit can make a big difference. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need. With the right preparation and gear, you're ready to tackle any adventure that comes your way. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey. Happy camping. Fire. It's essential for warmth, cooking, and safety, but starting a fire in the wilderness is not as easy as it looks. First, gather your materials: tinder, kindling, and fuel. Tinder catches fire easily. Think dry grass or birch bark. Kindling helps the flame grow, small sticks. Fuel keeps the fire going, larger logs. Use a fire starter or waterproof matches. Once you have a flame, carefully add kindling, then fuel. Keep your fire small and manageable. Section 5. Water. Water everywhere. Finding and purifying this precious resource. Water is life. You can survive for weeks without food, but only days without water. Finding and purifying water is crucial. Look for running water sources like streams or rivers. Avoid stagnant water, it can be full of bacteria. Always purify water before drinking. Boil it for at least 1 minute. Use water purification tablets, or use a water filter. These methods will kill harmful bacteria. Section 6. Shelter from the storm. Building your home, away from home. A shelter protects you from the elements. It keeps you warm and dry. In an emergency, a simple shelter can save your life. Look for natural shelters like rock overhangs or fallen trees. You can also build a simple lean-to shelter. Use branches, leaves, and natural materials. Make it waterproof by layering leaves or pine needles on top. A well-built shelter will keep you safe and dry. Section 7. Navigating the wilderness. Finding your way. Getting lost is easy, especially in the wilderness. That's why navigation is crucial. Always carry a map and compass. Learn how to use them before you go. A GPS device can be helpful, but don't rely on it completely. Batteries can die, signals can be lost. Pay attention to your surroundings. Note landmarks, and always tell someone where you're going and when you'll be back. Section 8. Wildlife encounters, respecting our furry and not-so-furry friends. The wilderness is home to wildlife. Most animals are more scared of you than you are of them, but it's important to be aware and respectful. Store your food properly. Use bear canisters or hang it high in a tree. Keep your campsite clean. Don't leave food scraps lying around. If you encounter an animal, stay calm. Don't approach it. Make yourself look big and make noise. Back away slowly and give it space. Section 9. Staying safe, first aid and emergency procedures. Accidents happen. It's important to be prepared. Always carry a well-stocked first aid kit, and know how to use it. Learn basic first aid, how to treat cuts, burns, and bites. Know what to do in case of a snake bite or allergic reaction. Carry a whistle for signaling for help. In an emergency, stay calm. Assess the situation, and take appropriate action. Your safety is paramount. Don't take unnecessary risks.